Hello, I'm Tristan Krauss of CBC, and I'm in the northern Alberta near the oil sands. This pond is still unaffected by the pollution associated with the industry. Sadly, the same cannot be said for the area just over there. On Wednesday, October 27, 2010, a flock of ducks were flying through a snowstorm in northern Alberta and happened upon one of the tailing ponds. Exhausted, they landed on what they thought was a safe pond, with devastating results. Apparently, the device set to deter the ducks, loud cannons, was compromised by the weather. Syncrude, the company whose tail ponds the ducks had landed in, said that their bird deterrent systems were operational at the time of death. Ironically, 3 weeks earlier, Syncrude was fined $300 million Canadian dollars for an incident in 2008 where 1,600 waterfowl died. Syncrude's tail ponds are not the only toxic bodies of water that have attracted ducks. Ponds owned by both Shell and Suncor have had to deal with the same issue. Since October 27th, more ducks have been found dead in the tail ponds. The total number of dead ducks in this latest incident is just over 250. Environmental issues continue to be on the minds of many people. Bigger disasters like the oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico have made people very aware of the high cost of the environment. Some speculate that the Gulf will never recover from the BP oil spill. Canadians are concerned that such a disaster here would also do irreparable damage to the environment. Companies that are present in the oil sands have continued to reassure the public that they are doing everything they can to protect the environment. However, the $25 million campaign just undertaken by the industry has not done anything to reassure the public. This most recent episode and the growing number of dead birds sends a bigger message than their $25 million campaign ever could. This is Tristan Krauss from the oil sands in Alberta.